Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another exciting tutorial with UXMate. Today we're going to learn how to use Canva to create bulk posts or bulk designs using one simple template and data sheet. So without any further ado, let's jump towards Canva and make sure you already subscribe to the channel. If not, then you're going to miss a lot of notifications for all our future uploads. Guys, for this video I'm going to set a goal of 500 likes. So after hitting that goal, I'm going to disable the like button. So without any further ado, just hit that like button and make sure we reach that goal as soon as possible. So here we are in Canva, and okay, I'll just go here, and I was just exploring something. Yeah, probably, yeah, we can do the quotes as well. And guys, if you are struggling with choosing the color palettes and color themes, you can use our this AI brand colors suggestion tool, so where you can define few details about your brand, and then this will give you the color palette, which is WCAG accessibility standard, and you can also get rationales behind why this particular color has been selected by AI. So you can use this as a starting point to define your design goals or your colors using details for your brand. But anyways, here we are in Canva, so I'll simply select quotes. Okay, and let's choose one template. Okay, this looks good to me, or this is also fine, but I'll go with simple and minimalist approach. So I'll select this, and if you don't have pro access, probably you may not able to access these templates, but you can choose whichever templates available for you. Okay, great. And now also I'll tell you how to prepare data for this. So data is nothing but a simple Excel or a CSV file. You can use ChatGPT or any AI tool to do so. You can simply ask ChatGPT to give you the quotes which you want to post on your social media, as I'm going to do it for the UI UX design. And I believe I had already created something, so let me just quickly check if I already have it. Let me search it here. Okay, oh sorry, yes, I have these quotes here. I'll show you quickly, open with numbers maybe. Yeah, but anyways, you can, yeah, now you can see I have this quotes and author in a CSV or an Excel file. You can simply recreate similar sort of file in Excel and export it as a CSV or XLS as well, or you can simply copy this data manually and put it in the Canva. But yeah, we're going to do it with a file, so that is much easier approach. I'll simply head towards ChatGPT, and if you want to see, you can just simply tell ChatGPT that, hey, I want you to give me a CSV file with 30 quotes. You can define whichever genre you want. Not necessarily you have to do it for the quotes. You can define your own prompt. I'm just giving you an idea of how you can use ChatGPT to generate the content. You can use any other AI tool as well, like Gemini or Cloud, whichever you are preferring. So just define, hey, I want you to give me a CSV file with 30 quotes with author name, and make sure file is downloadable. So you don't need to manually copy paste all these quotes given by ChatGPT. You can define more details here in the prompt, and if you want to learn how to write better prompts, you can just watch our tutorial on the channel where we have defined a nice structured formula to write better prompts. But anyways, so let's just send it, and I'm not going to again download this file because I already downloaded the similar sort of file. And what you have to do now is, you can see this bulk create here. If you're not able to see this bulk create option in your Canva, then you have to go under apps and just scroll at the bottom, not to, but yeah, you can see bulk create here, or you can just search here for the Canva apps, and you can see the Canva app listed here. So I'm just going to click on bulk create, and now it has opened the bulk create for us. You can see here you have different options. You can use Google Sheet with the data, you can use Sync Sheet, or you can simply copy paste the data, or you can simply enter enter data manually, or you can simply upload the data. So I'm just going to do it with an upload. So just click on upload data, and select the file which we have here. You can see you will get this some similar sort of file here in the chat GPT. Just download it and upload it to the Canva. Sorry for the fumbling, but yeah, you can see we have uploaded the file here, but now it says data is not, or no data fields are added. So how you can add the data fields? What you have to do is you have to go here in your design, select the text layer where you want to define the data, and just right click on it and click on connect data. And here you will get an option which data field you want to connect. So as this is going to be author name, so I'll just simply click here author, and I'm going to give it as code. So again, right click, connect data, and click on code. So that will give you, the data is linked successfully. For the channel name, I'll just simply use UXMate. Okay, and that's it. You just have to click on continue. If you want more details, more controls, you can explore the advanced options, but to create bulk posts, this is more than enough. If you have more fields in your data file, you will see all these data fields here. I'm just going to click on continue, and now you can see which posts or which from the data you want to be created. So I'm just going to select all, as this is the bulk create. Why I would select one or two? I'm going to select everything here and just click on create 30. And now you can see it is preparing all these 30 pages for us. While it is preparing that design, make sure you have already subscribed to the channel, hit that bell icon as well. And one design created and saved in your project. Okay, just click on view design and it will open the new file with all these 30 pages. And now you can see all these quotes are very well added in each file here. So you can just export them and use them in your social media posting. If you're going to post anything using this method, just tag us on the Instagram and we would be happy to see your creative work. Yep, so that's it. Till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.